Oklahoma City attorney is accusing the city and police department of foul play for improperly moving hundreds of thousands of dollars of seized cash into city accounts.
Now, the lawyer who used to protect the city of Oklahoma City's filed an affidavit against them, and Fox 25's Rob Hagan at the Oklahoma City Police Department with the latest. Rob, what did you find out?
That's right. Adam, Wendy, Orval Jones got his law degree in 1984, and now the man who served as the police watchdog over that seized cash now says the OKCPD and the city are not following proper protocol.
Records show Orval Jones, a man with over 4 decades of experience being an officer of the court, resigned over duress with the city he was sworn to protect. Now, this lawyer turned whistleblower has filed a motion claiming more than $400,000 of seized cash had been moved into city accounts without the appropriate process. In criminal cases where money seized, it's supposed to go to victim restitution, unpaid court costs, probation, or incarceration fees. He worked as the Oklahoma City Police Department's legal advisor, where he spent an 8-year effort to clean up how seized property was tracked and returned. In the filing, Jones said when he was presented with lists of, quote, unclaimed currency, he noticed most of the owners were shown as unknown, but claimed it was simple to find the owners of the seized cash. When seized cash is marked as having unknown ownership, the city can file civil proceedings to move that cash into city accounts. Jones says in January last year he submitted lists of seizures to assistant DAs spanning hundreds of cases going back 20 years. He says that collaboration ended January 2025. According to court documents, Jones emailed OKCPD supervisors March 2nd explaining the audits. Jones says 8 days later he was removed from the assignment by a request from the chief of police. Jones says he contacted the city auditor about concerns that over $400,000 had been moved into city accounts without appropriate process. In June 2025, Jones says he received an email from his boss's boss stating, quote, "You are not to engage in any work related to property disposition at any time or for any purpose whatsoever." According to the court filing, Jones later completed his own review and shared it with the city auditor at the end of August 2025 before resigning in September, saying he did so under duress.
Now, Jones says he wants a judge to vacate the court orders letting the city claim the cash and wants to notify all of the owners of the seized money. Live at the Oklahoma City Police Department, Rob Hagan, Fox 25 News.